Hello listener, welcome to the Musa Teacher Academy. How are you this time? I come to discuss the words that begins with letter C and D. Beginning with the C, cat. Cat is spelled C-A-T, which means in the Hausa language, magi. Cow, C-O-W, saniya. Cut, C-U-T, sara wani abu ko yankewa. Comb, C-O-M-B, mataji. Class, C-L-A-S-S, aji da ake zama a yi karatu. Club, C-L-U-B, wurin wasa. Cattle, C-A-T-T-L-E, shanu. Can, C-A-N, gwangwani. Child, C-H-I-L-D, yaro. Children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, yara. Then moving to the D section, dog, D-O-G, kare. Double, D-O-U-B-L-E, abu guda biyu kenan. Dig, D-I-G, haka. Dimple, D-I-M-P-L-E, wani ɗan lotsa da yake a kumatu, mostly ana samun shi a mata. Doctor, D-O-C-T-O-R, likita. Driver, D-R-I-V-E-R, matuƙin mota. Dishonest, D-I-S-H-O-N-E-S-T, cin amana. Deaf, D-E-A-F, kurma. Death, D-E-A-T-H, mutuwa. Duck, D-U-C-K, agwagwa. Thank you. This is the end of this program. I wish you a successful learning.